Alright, we're there again. So, anyway, since we can, such man come back, he call me say, yeah, well, he go work for go mash and things. So, I say, alright, brother, we go and go that. Yeah, such one lady will work. He work whole day in the sun I burn him. I say, watch you know. Stay there and work now, brother. I worry about you, because you like comments and things. He watch me and he turn to me and say, hey, I working this morning, I can't give a 250 liter, So me I say, brother, you one big man. Free to do what you want to do, every day he laugh. He said, boy, one thing with me, I love the club, Love go, I love the club and thing, So me I say, dog, enough of your money I work, dog, enough of me money I work. Turn to me and say, brother, I no business, brother. Don't to me and say, I don't tell you already, we go by them girl. He said the nanny is a priority, but the bottom is a must. So I said, I stink, but I'm thing you depend, boy, he laugh, it's nothing. So anyway, such man did there, all our vibes, he work. Such man tell me say him pick up a thing. Wow. Such man tell me when he bring it to me, boy, go by she, so you guys don't pay him, girl love him. Yeah, I love him off. He say, boy, work and he put on in relics. What? Such man will come out just so and say, hey. Such man saying, get vexed, brother, make you know, say, well, thing is a priority, but the bottom is a must. What? Girl, the pan and he rest to pan that, yes, him can beat that left, right, and center. Such man say, when he bend it over and stick it in the back, boy. What? Say, girl, so shit pan him, brother. Such man did the answer, brother, no business. Saying done did it already, say man fighting. He say how when you shit down the whole place, he say instead of fighting. So me I watch him and I said, there you're not batty man, brother. Eh? You're not stink man, but you shit up man. Time for next time I work, brother come call me because yeah, you stink man. The day he laugh. Change the topic. Come back with something else. All of a sudden, such man tell me say he went in a little guest place now, a little private place now. Such man tell me say him park out 250 and he pay 20 laugh go in. Anyway, man tell me say him pick up a nice local thing, say things sweet. Such man tell me so instead of put on lash for that now, boy, I feel like in between two walls, Such man say he going down easy and he come not easy. So me I said, dog, how happen there? He say, you know, it's a hose. Thing now no bottom. Thing now no grip. So me ask him, so what you do about that? So he take back some of the money from the girl, brother. The girl, this can't work out. So such man, the girl in a big thing. Such man decide to not pay him nothing more because thing not good. So me I said, dog, I say, you can stink man mentality of. He said, brother, you don't get the back door, sorry. Take back some of the money, never worth all that money. So I said, so I see I go plan for live. Me ask him, say, if I say my plan for live, you know, plan finally for girl and thing. He said, right now, he like how he life living. He's a single man. So when he ready, he just go and park up in bicycle anyway and put on next and come back home. But such man not easy boy, Such man not easy boy. Such man I tell everybody. So I tell you that. I mean, why you have no bridge because you don't shit up already that. You stink man no. He laugh. So such man is a very nasty man. So you are one. You say damn such man link me again. I'm say such man. I make him shut a video for me. And you go see the video you go believe and thing now boy. So no one understand where I'm coming from. What kind of fella such man is now.